How to delete resume in ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ZipRecruiter.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile name drop down on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Manage Profile option. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the tab for CV. Tap on the Remove button you see there and further scroll down to the bottom until you see the Update Profile button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this, your resume will be deleted successfully. So, this is how you can delete resume in ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.